Hello, everybody. In today's screencast, we're going to look at reference words. Many times we come across words in the text like it and they and them and her and his and both. And we have to figure out what does that word or what does it mean. So what kinds of words are we talking about? We call them pronouns. They're a kind of noun, and they replace nouns in the sentence. Let's take a look at the words. He, she, it, they. You know those words. Who, whom, which, whose, that. Also, these are words you know because they connect parts of the sentence. This, these, that, those. Two, both, a few, some, and others. Today we're going to focus on these pronouns and these pronouns. So let's take a look at some examples together. So again, reference words refer to words or ideas in the text or in the world. So if we have a sentence like this, the pizza was cold by the time the pizza arrived, and the people that I was with were unable to eat the pizza. So what do we see? Pizza, pizza, pizza. When we hear it the first time, we say, the sentence is about pizza. When we get to the next one, we say, yeah, I know it's about pizza. And then the third time, yeah, it's about pizza. So why do we have to repeat the word? Why do we have to make the sentence so long? What can we use instead? And we have the people that I was with, we can replace with a very short word. So we can make our sentence shorter and clearer. The pizza was cold by the time the pizza arrived, and we, the people I was with, were unable to eat it. Pizza here and pizza here. Let's look at another one. Many young people want to get a college degree because many young people know the college degree will help many young people get a good job. It doesn't even sound right. It's long, it's complicated, and words and phrases are repeated. So what can we do to make it shorter? Many young people, okay, now we know who we're talking about, want to get a college degree. So we know who and we know what, because they, many young people, know it, the college degree, will help them, many young people, get a good job. So our sentence is a little bit shorter and it's easier to read. One more example. Mike and Dan are brothers, and Mike and Dan work in high tech. That sounds funny. It's almost like it's two different sentences, but we put it together with the word and. So what can we do? Mike and Dan are brothers and both, because the word both is like they, which means Mike and Dan work in high tech. So the sentence is shorter, and in many ways, it's clearer. So what do? When we're reading our text, we have to figure out what do the words like it refer to. So we begin reading. The pizza was cold by the time arrived. Well, what arrived? The pizza arrived. And we were unable to eat. What couldn't we eat? It, the pizza. Let's take a look at another one. Many young people, okay, I got the who, want to get a college degree because they. Well, they means many young people. So I can make a circle around it, or I can make an arrow. Well, no, something, a college degree. They know it, the college degree will help them. Who will it help? Many young people get a good job. So we want to make arrows and circles and underline while we're reading. And finally, Mike and Dan are brothers and both. Well, both, two, and they. So that would be Mike and Dan. So Mike and Dan work in high tech. So remember, while you're reading, get out your pencil, pay attention to the words like it and it, circle them. And when you get to it, ask yourself, what is it referring to? What is it? It's the pizza. And it is one. So this would be singular. Many young people, we see they. Well, they is more than one. It's plural. And people is plural. That's another hint. So we circle the word they and we look for what it refers to. And the same with them. So make sure you've got your pencils, your erasers, your highlighters, and figure out what these pronouns refer to.